Good day, ma'am. I'm Dina Linji Pistolero, 31 years old, married, and I'm from Philippines. I am a high school graduate, and I am the youngest of the family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sisters. I have 5 years experience as a helper here in Philippines, and I serve 4 members of the family. 1 couple, 5 years old boy, and 7 years old girl. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, car washing, and taking care of the children. I love to play with the kids and I love to sing with them. Like, you put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in, you do the hokey pokey, and turn yourself around, and that's all about. To my future employee, please select me because I am honest, trustworthy, kind, responsible, and hardworking. Thank you!